So question number 16. A cylindrical well is of height 3.5 feet above the ground. So this well is of height 3.5 meter above the ground. The level of water is 7 feet below the ground level. If the volume of water in the well is half the volume of the capacity of the well, find the total height of the well. So let us assume that this is how the figure looks like. Let me draw the figure here. So approximately this is how the figure might look like. The cylindrical well is of height 3.5 feet above the ground. So this would be 3.5 feet. The level of water is 7 feet below the ground. So this is where the water will start. So this height, this is 7 feet. Sarthak, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
This is the ground level. This is the well. Mr. Satya, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Now this well, this is a cylindrical well. This is a cylinder. The level of water is 7 feet below the ground if the volume of water in the well. So the volume of water in the well is half the volume of capacity of the well. Find the total height of the well. So the volume of water is half the capacity of well. So I think this is how it looks like. That this portion of the well, this has a depth of h feet. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the height which is above the ground. This is the depth after which this water level starts. Satya, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Now what he is saying is that the cylinder is of height 3.5 feet above the ground. Level of water is 7 feet below the ground. Volume of the water in the well is half the volume of capacity of the well. Find the total height of the well. So when we look at this figure, what he is saying is the volume of water. So this portion is half the capacity of the well. So the capacity would be the total capacity is the total volume of the well, which is like this. So this hole, sorry. So this hole would be the capacity of the well. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the well is a cylinder, so it looks like this. So approximately this is how the well would look like. So whole of this is the capacity. Now when you look at the capacity, you will find that the total height would be equal to 3.5 plus 7, 10.5 plus h. Have you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
So this would be 3.5 plus 7 plus h, which will be equal to 10.5 plus h. That is what I have written here. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
I can assume the radius of the well. I can assume the radius of the well to be r meter, r feet. I'm sorry. This would be r feet. Have you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
So the total capacity would be pi r square into h plus 10.5. Sarthak, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the total capacity. This whole is the total capacity. Let me mark it like this. This is the total capacity. Now half of this is the volume of water. The volume of water is this portion, and this would be equal to pi r square h, where h is this where where you will find water. This is the height where you will find water. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then when we want to solve this, if you have understood till here, then this pi r square would cancel. This 2 will come on the left side. So this will become 2h is equal to h plus 10.5. Therefore, h would be equal to 10.5 feet. So the answer should be equal to 10.5 feet. Find the total height of the well. Okay. Now, because he is asking you the total height, so this depth is 10.5 feet. So the total height would be 10.5 plus 10.5, which will be equal to 21 feet. So the from here till here, this is the total height of the well, and the total height of the well would be equal to the total height of the well would be equal to 21 feet. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, nice.